Welcome back to our channel, and today I will show you how to flush your brake oil, an easy method without bleeding your brakes. This process is little bit time consuming because you have to do it 2 to 3 times to flush out the brake oil completely. So the first step will be to locate your brake oil container. This is the brake oil container, and follow the brake oil specification. Here it is written you have to go for .4 specified brake oil. So I have brought .4 brake oil. This is KBX brand. You can buy other brands too. Remember why brake oil flushing is necessary, because brake oil is highly hydroscopic in nature and it absorbs moisture as it grows older. So it absorbs moisture. What happens? That means it forms a vapor, and as you press the brakes becomes ineffective because it can compress the oil but not that particular moisture. So your brakes become spongy and it takes more time to react. I will also use a separate container for filling up the brake oil. Don't spill it in the road gutter or anywhere. रास्ते में इसको ना फेंके, उसको दूसरा कंटेनर में कलेक्ट कर ले. Open the brake oil cap. Don't go too much below, and remember, when you are doing this job, do not press your brake pedal, otherwise air will be sucked into the system. Now I will pour fresh brake oil. Remember, when you are adding brake oil, always use from a fresh container. Don't use a brake oil that has been kept in your garage for more than 6 months. I always add brake oil from a new container. I have so many brake oils lying in my garage which are more than 1 year old. Now I will pour it. You see the color is absolutely white now. Okay, now what I will do, I will add it up to the maximum level. Now after adding this fresh brake oil, we will drive the car for more than 100 kilometers, and again we will do the same process. What we will do, after driving 100 kilometers or more, we will do the same process again, and since it is a ABS system, the old oil will mix with the new oil, and gradually we will again suck out the oil, and like this the brake oil will be replaced with the new oil. So remember to do this procedure once in every 100 kilometers, at least 2 to 3 times, until and unless you see the brake oil white color. So we have covered 100 kilometers. So again we'll change the brake oil. The brake oil is little bit clearer but still contaminated. So we'll again flush it. Pour it in a container. Do not spill it on the road or rain gutters. Remember, always check that brake oil never spills on your car paint metal because it is highly corrosive in nature. Now again I will pour it. And while you are doing this job, never press your brake pedal, otherwise air will be sucked in the system. So after this, again we'll drive for another 100 kilometers and do the same process.
3 times.
3 times. So today is the second time. Today we come to the last part of your brake oil flushing series. This is the third day and we have covered another 100 kilometers. So I will again change the brake fluid. Now let me install the camera. Now let us open the brake oil container. I will suck it with the help of syringe, same process. The brake oil is almost white now, and if you follow this step every 2 years, you need not go for expensive brake overhauling. Remember, when you are doing this job, you see already it's much less yellow. Now I will top it up with fresh brake oil. You see the brake oil is almost white and you are good to go for the next 2 years. Don't forget to close the cap, and remember, when you are doing this job, never press your brake pedal. The earlier fluid I have taken in a different containers, so you can see the color of brake oil, and there you can see it is almost white now. So in this way you can simply replace your brake oil effectively without going for that particular bleeding job, and this is very easy. And if you follow this step every 2 years, your brake system will remain fresh and there will be less chances of brake failures. So follow this step to maintain your brakes properly. So if you like this video, please give a thumbs up, and if you feel the video is useful to you, don't forget to comment and like, because it is your like, comment and subscription gives us encouragement to make more videos for you. Thank you very much. Goodbye and namaste.